it?
Probably too cold last night, and now the car won't start. Trying to heat it up from the inside, using the fire and stuff like that to get a little more heat in, and then hope it starts again. So just wait and see. Shit!
Is this the saving? Let's go ask. Does he want to help?
Yes.
Thank you.
No problem. Thank you so much. Good luck.
See you, Stock. Thank you. Bye. He's our hero.
Running through all this white stuff on the back of our van. Moment in order, ski paradise order. So
Back in Sweden.
back in Sweden, yeah. What do we say in Sweden? Hoi då!
Let's go.
Uh-oh. This is the lake where this summer we were swimming and we were wakeboarding,
Yeah.
flying with the airplane.
Yeah.
But now it's completely frozen and completely covered with snow. It's very beautiful here now.
It's magical. It's completely frozen. It's the second week of our journey going down from the North Cape to the Baltic States, and we left the Lofoten Islands. And we decided to visit the campsite that we have been working on for 3 months.
3 months, yeah.
3 months last summer.
Voluntary dating site.
Dating site, yeah. Well, the people here at the campsite needed some helpers, and well, we felt like helping them out. We had such a nice time, and we made friends with the owners, and we thought, okay, why not say hello? How does it feel to be back here?
Nice. It's even nicer in winter.
Yeah. But it's also a really warm welcome.
Yeah, it feels like coming home
Yeah.
as well.
And it also feels like we want to get started right away again, but we thought about it and we came to the conclusion that it's better to go someplace else and explore a bit more, and we feel like we always have some place to go to when we don't know what to do. We can always come here.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. Very nice.
So what did you do today, Martijn?
Cleaning snow the Swedish way.
Like what?
I don't know. We will show it on film.